I've got 5 on it. Can we play you every week? I got 5 on it. Look how chill and happy the toxic channel is today. 5 goals. Youngsters balling out. 29 on the score sheet. Saka balling. Declan Rice balling. 16-year-old in goal. We've got a right back who cooked after the first 20 minutes. We've got a left back. Hopefully he's all right because he went off injured. Another left back injured. He cooked. Raheem the Dream scoring his first goal for the club as well. But man like Ethan stole the show today. Make sure you sub to Matty's channel. It'll be in the title, The Southern Gooner. And Matty, we did the watch along, and that was one of the easiest watch alongs we're ever going to do in our life. Comfy, wasn't it?
Yeah, man, it was a stroll in the park, man. Bro, this competition is one of the, if anybody who's been following me for the last couple of months, they know how I feel about when we got to this competition. This is the competition that I think we should be going after. We should definitely be trying to get a cup out of this. The draw fell favorable to us as well. Everything has the makings of trying to get to a final and get some silverware for this team. Nwaneri was outstanding tonight. I'm gonna say it again. He was outstanding tonight. Skelly was outstanding tonight. The other young blood, he was outstanding. The goalkeeper, he had a little mix up there, but he was good tonight. Could you imagine being 16 years old being tossed into senior football as a goalkeeper?
Just turned 2 months ago, end of July.
Yeah,
2016.
Goalkeeper. Yeah. So,
bro, do you know how mad that is? My daughter. Yeah, my daughter. Oh, I swear to God, bro. Yeah, that is crazy.
Yeah, when he
looked tiny in the goal, I can't lie. But you know what? Other than that cock up where he passed it out, and Kenny said something. I think it was Gabriel. Was it Gabriel that passed him the ball back, and then he tried to pass it? I think it was Gabriel. Yeah. I can't remember. Kenny said the experienced one should know better than that. Don't pass him back and do that.
Put him under pressure.
But other than that, and other than getting dropped for the goal, but even Raya probably would have got dropped for the goal. Yeah, other than that, I thought he was decent. I can't lie. And he might get another go. He might get another go against Preston.
Well, he came out, man. He came out, he punched that ball, and that was exactly, as a coach, that's exactly what you want to see, man. Somebody, coming out with some authority, putting, letting everybody know that you're not scared. You're going to come out and do something. And he did an outstanding job, man. Overall, pretty much everybody had a pretty good game, but there was one standout, man. Bro, we've got to have a serious discussion about Jesus. Jesus should be scoring in this game, y'all. And for anybody who's coming on this fan cam he's slating off Jesus. Go watch the replay of the game, and you will specifically hear me say I was rooting for him to score a goal tonight.
All the way through the game. I was going, mate, he's trash. He ain't scoring nothing. He couldn't score in the brothel.
He needed a goal. Now, luckily, we got another favorable draw. We got Preston, so he's probably, lo and behold, if he stays healthy, he'll be playing against Preston. So hopefully he can get another goal. But he needs some goals because he's in a slump.
No, he needs to leave. That's what he needs to do.
Well,
he needs to leave.
Well, we got to deal with it January, so he needs a goal. Martinelli needs a goal. He needs some scoring. These two here have got to find their shooting boots and got to find it fast. Sterling got his goal tonight. Opened this account, so that should give him a little bit of confidence. Great running, man, on a couple of those through balls and crosses. And Calafiore was so tonight. wasn't too impressed with him tonight. I'm not sure if he still is a little, sore from this past weekend. He's probably tired too from this past weekend. And I'm just trying to think of who else that was out there right off the top of my head.
Lewis Skelly went off injured.
Skelly looked strong.
Wait, do you remember when he brought the ball down the other end to him? I said, if that's Zinchenko, we're shitting a brick.
Yeah. He looked confident.
Just chill. He was popping around and then won a free kick.
Yeah, no panic. Yeah. Lee, this competition is one we should be definitely going to the final in this competition. There's no reason why this Arsenal team, especially as we introduce the stronger teams, stronger players into the team, we should not be getting to a final in this competition. I looked at the team City put out tonight, and brother, we should be feeling. And we'll see how they. Well, you said the manager said they're going to play their weaker team.
Yeah. Yesterday, Pep came out after the game yesterday and said that he's going to give. He goes to I'm paraphrasing. He said the schedule's too harsh. Yeah, we've got to put our reserves in this. Something along them lines.
So
but like then he named like Grealish and some of these. I was thinking Grealish.
Yeah,
and Grealish should be starting every week.
Yeah,
but it's what
but
it
you know
is.
what? Well, Lee, this like I said, this is a competition. The draw has felt favorable for us. Some of the other bigger teams play each other, and we should be going after this. There's no excuse for us not to be going after this. I don't want to hear any Arsenal fan coming out talking about, oh yeah, man, we're not worried about that, man. No, this is a viable cup that this team, 800 million deep, youth players like Nwaneri getting the job done. We should be competing for this cup. There's no excuses. Overall academic performance tonight, 5-1. I'm thrilled, satisfied. I hope we have a whole lot more streams where we can just sit back, relax, and enjoy life. I enjoy it.
Look at the way we was when it was West Ham, Sheffield United, Burnley. We sat there. I had the cigars on the go. Yeah, we were chilling.
I'm on the phone. Wifey call. I'm wifey call.
Yeah, it was just like, oh no, we've got this game. Yeah, Ola's Wi-Fi was going down. Big thunderstorm. Yeah, I was sitting there. I was like just chilling. We were getting rants on the videos. We were getting psychs. They were having meltdowns. So we were just chilling. That was the quietest we have been in any watch along I think we've ever done.
Yeah,
when it was the full team and it's a Premier League game, we were loud when we were 5-6-0 up and stuff like that. That tonight was calm. That was like me on my other channel when I'm watching football. That's so chill. Yeah, and there'll be people out there going, "Oh, but it's only Bolton." And what? It's still got beaten, bro.
We should be beating Bolton, man.
It's only FC20. They drew at home.
Yeah. That's a whole another can of worms for the United, man. You know, and this is I really want this cup, man. This is the only trophy I've not seen Arsenal win. I've never seen us win the League Cup because I started watching in '95. So
yeah. See, 93 and 87, yeah. So you never had it aired out there, right?
No, I've never seen it, man. Never seen it. So
apart from Champions League as well, mate.
I started that game where we when Kolasinac and they collided. What was that? Birmingham City? Was it Birmingham City?
Oh no, that was Chesney, who's just signed for Barca, by the way, and Koscielny.
Yeah, that was against Birmingham, right? Birmingham City?
2011.
Yeah. That was.
And the man was doing all the backflips and all of that. No.
Yeah, that was.
We lost to Chelsea when Walcott scored his first goal for us.
Yep.
But this is the thing, mate. Yeah, you're right. Some of the big guns have got each other. Aston Villa and Crystal. I'm not saying big guns as in these are all massive clubs, but the Premier League clubs. Yeah. Right. Crystal Palace and Aston Villa got each other. Yeah. Tottenham got Man City.
Yep.
Yeah. Why can't we go and win this cup? And do you know what? Chelsea still got to play Newcastle, and then they've got a
the Newcastle plays Wimbledon. Then
Wimbledon. Then they play Chelsea. Yeah. So Premier League clubs could get knocked out of this all the way. And it's like, I just look at it and I think, this guy spent so long sat next to Pep. Yeah. And they were winning League Cups.
Yeah.
They were winning it every year, mate. So it's like, why don't you win the League Cup? Look at what Man City have done now since they just go, oh, bigger fish to fry, because they genuinely can. Yeah. We don't win nothing. And our fans go, don't want that dusty cup. It's like, bro, go and win that cup 2 years in a row. Go and win it once.
You got to inject belief into this team. Yep. You got to inject belief. You know, it's all good and well, you know, quote unquote, rallying City, but you got to inject belief, and you inject belief by winning, by putting trophies on the shelf. And if you can do that mid-season, especially because let's just be frank, we're gonna be first, second, third, fourth. It's gonna be somewhere right around in there. And then if you can get that piece of silverware, then it changes the game. This is why 2 years ago, when people were saying, "Oh, it's beneath us" and all that, you go back and remember what I said. If anybody can go back and look, remember what I said. You want to win this trophy because it's for a mental aspect of being, you know, okay, we've got one over on City, then we're already in the title race. So if we can get this, then we can probably get over the hurdle. So we just need trophies, man. We need silverware. These boys need silverware. It's 5 years, y'all. Some of these players have been with us 6. They need silverware, something, man. We should be winning this trophy. We should be winning this trophy, man. So, hey, man, we move on. Leicester City is back in the forefront. We need a win this weekend. We should be picking up some dubs on Saturday, and let's go, man. Let's go.
Very quickly before we wrap this up, do you think Ethan Nwaneri deserves to start? Because me and Jez were talking about this, and I said I'll play him in the 10.
Yeah, I do too.
Go with Rice, Party, and put him in the 10. Then put 29 up front. Go with Sterling on the left.
Yep.
Yeah, I thought he played well tonight. I hope go Saka on the right, and then you've got a bit of
that's exactly
because now you've got Jesus off the bench. Yep. Maybe he'll be better off the bench. You've got Trossard back for the game. Yeah, you got Martinelli, another scrub tonight. Yeah, you got Jorginho on the bench if you want to slow the game down in the second half. All of a sudden, the injuries are not so much a worry because now this boy can go and play at number 10.
Yeah, he's gonna have to not be stubborn. The manager's gonna have to not be stubborn and try to force I've got to play this is because this is what we've done. No, change it up. The young man is more than capable. We saw that tonight. Leicester City, is Leicester City, so he shouldn't have any problems. It's not like he's going up against, City or what have you, but or a Champions League, a major Champions League match. So he should be able to come out and flex his muscles on Saturday, man. So hopefully he starts in, man. It's
a home game.
Yeah, it's time. We don't have a creative player there, so put him there. Havertz in midfield is not going to work this year.
No,
I just keep trying. I don't know why people can't get that through the head. He is not going to work in midfield. So you might as well just go ahead and get in your head. I got to play Nwaneri until Odegaard gets back, and that's if Odegaard even comes back healthy. So, bro, go ahead and get him started now because he's got to play sometime. So you might as well just start playing him now.
Yeah, facts, absolute facts. What you got coming up on your channel, bro?
Brother, I am chilling, man. I've got Hurricane City coming for the next couple of days, so I'll be sitting there chilling.
Stay safe, man.
Yeah, if it's not too bad, I might hop on and watch along here or there. But as for me, man, I'll be chilling.
Nah, I can't. Bless up, man. Make sure you sub to Matty's channel. It'll be in the title. And we're out of here. I'm going right live now with Northside for the emergency meeting. And nice performance. Nice to watch Arsenal chilled tonight. And we're out. Cronky out.
And Nwaneri in.